Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will start JavaScript series. This video, I will discuss what is variable and types of variable. First, what is variable? A variable is a value that can change depending on condition or on information passed to the program. Typically, a program consists of informations that tells the computer what to do and data that the program used when it is running. Again, I repeat these things. A variable is a value that can change depending on condition or on information passed to the program. Typically, a program consists of information that tell the computer what to do and data that the program uses when it is running. Mainly, JavaScript variable declare by using var, let, and const. Var, let, and const. So, like for first example, to declaring the variable, we need to write here var, suppose price. Price is 13. Age equal to 26. And const equal to temperature 30 degree. Now, types of variable. In JavaScript, variable can be declared using var, let, and const keyword. The types of a variable in JavaScript is determined dynamically, meaning the variable can hold different types of values. Different types of values. Here is the different types of variable in JavaScript. First is undefined. One, undefined. Undefined. First is undefined. Variables that are declared by assign a value are considered undefined. Suppose variables that are declared, already declared, but not assign a value. If I the example, it is clear to you all. Suppose var name. Here I declared the variable, but I did not assign the value. Here I did not assign the value, and if I print this variable, note first.js undefined. You see here output is undefined. Next, null. Second is, second is null. The null value represent the international absence of any object value. It is a special value that denotes no value or empty value. Suppose var person equal to null. If I want to print the person, that time output should be null. Output should be null. So what is null? Null value represent the international absence of any object value. It is a special value that denotes no value or empty value. Next is Boolean. What is Boolean? Variable of types Boolean variable of types boolean can hold either true or false. For example, I write here var is ready. You are ready or not? Suppose I am ready. It is true. Console.log is ready. If I print this thing, true. Suppose I am not ready. False. Value is false. So boolean variables of type boolean can hold either true or false. Next is number. A number variables of type number can hold numeric values. On it numbers can hold numeric value. JavaScript treats all number including integer and floating point numbers as number. Suppose here var count equal to 10. Console.log count. Here value is 10. This is number. And next is string. Variables of type strings can hold textual data. Textual data means our name, university name, country name, textual data which is enclosed in single quotation or double quotation. Suppose here if I write var message is how are you? Sorry, console.log message. How are you? So this is string. Again I repeat, what is string? Variables of type string can hold only textual data. How are you is a textual data which is enclosed by single quotation or double quotation. And next is symbol. Symbols are unique and immutable data types introduced in ECMAScript. ES6, they are primarily used as key for object prototypes and prevent naming conflicts. Again, I repeat this thing. Symbols are unique and immutable data types introduced in ECMAScript. ES6, they are primarily used as keys for object prototypes to prevent naming conflict. So, var id equal to symbol. Symbol here unique identifier. Console.log id. Run this program. Symbol unique identifier. You see, our output is symbol unique identifier. And last is object. Variables of type object can store collections of key value pair. Collection of key value pair which can be object, array or function. Object can store collection of key value pair. You need to remember this thing. Object can store collection of key value pairs. So if I write here var person, suppose the name of this person is Smith and age is 30, is he employed or unemployed? Suppose is employed, true, plus and console this object person. Now sorry, print this thing. Here you see name Smith, age 30, is employed, true. So variables are object can store collections of key value pairs which can be object, array, function, etc. So types of variable. In types of variable, first is undefined. Variable that are declared but not assigned a value are considered undefined. Here variable declared but the value not assigned, that is undefined. Null. The null value represents the international absence of any object value. It is a special value that denotes no value or empty value. Here no value or empty value. Boolean. Variables of type Boolean can hold either true or false. For example, var is ready, false. So next is number. Variable of type number can hold numeric values. JavaScript treats all number including integers and floating point numbers as number. Var count is 10 equal to 10. If I console log count, the output should be 10. Now next is string. Variables of type string can hold textual data. Textual data means how are you, our name, our country name, our state name, any other thing. So variable of type string can hold textual data which is enclosed by single quotation or double quotation. Here I give double quotation. If I write here, if I give here single quotation, it also works properly. So if I run this program, here you see how are you printed successfully. So symbol. Next is symbol. What is symbol? Symbols are unique and immutable data types introduced in ECMAScript ES6. They are primarily used as key for object property to prevent naming conflicts. Symbols are unique and immutable data types introduced in ECMAScript. They are primarily used as key for object prototypes to prevent naming conflicts. Suppose var id symbol unique identifier. So if I console log these things, output should be symbol unique identifier. Last is object. Variables of type object can store collection of key value pairs. Here the person stored the collection of key value pair. Name, age, is employed or not. Those are collection of key value pairs. Those are key value pairs which can be object, arrays or function, etc. So I think it is clear to you. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.